Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Y'all, I just know you've already seen what I'm going to prepare for you guys. So keep it locked in. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share as well. Please comment. Let me see more comments down on the comment section. Guys, subscribe. Let us reach to 50 subscribers. Yeah, we are still at 28. Yeah, and please subscribe for more recipes. Of course, daily I will be uploading. So welcome to my channel. Let us prepare chapati for today. I'm going to share with you the full video how from the first step until the last step. So let's get into the video. On to my first ingredients. This is unga eggs chapati fortified with flour. This is the flour that I normally use whenever I want to prepare chapati, of course. And of course, this is my measuring cup that I normally use to measure, and that is hot water. I just boiled it. Salt, of course, should be there, and this is Rina vegetable cooking oil. So let's mix them fast. And so this is my mixture. I love it when it is soft. And guys, I'm going to show you how I do the rolling, like the steps, step by step, of course. And guys, remember my mixture is composed of salt, of course, water, cooking oil, the vegetable cooking oil, and flour. Mix it well to completely form a smooth mixture. Like I know you'll just love it when you place it on your working space. You just roll. You add a little bit of flour and you roll it. And at this point, guys, y'all can feel the texture of your dough. Like I love it when it's shining and super smooth. It's gonna bring the outcome of your chapatis. They're going to be like, they're very amazing. And sisi tunasema chapati laini, na ile soft, nyepesi laini, that is soft, a smooth one, of course. So I'm going to place it inside my microwave because it's warm for just like 10 minutes. Then I remove it out of the microwave. And guys, I'm very sorry if the quality might be poor, but I don't know. I'm trying with this editing, but I know one day it will be perfect. I just love the way I normally shoot. Of course, it's me. I'm doing everything on my own, doing the rolling as well, doing the cooking, everything, and as well holding the camera. And I know one day I'll get that. Yeah, that it's called what, a stand. Yeah, and the videos will always be perfect. So just try and accept everything. Of course, this is my reality, this is what I do, and this is the outcome. Like, I can't share with you something that is false. And yeah, this is it, guys.
Yes, just talk
I
to
hope
me
you're
what you
enjoying the
want.
video, guys. Don't forget to like today's recipe. If
Also,
it's
you're not
amazing,
sitting.
please give me a
Eat your
like.
spaghetti first.
Don't forget to watch till the end as well. And wow,
Chapati.
guys, look at that. I love the
Huh?
shape. I love
Ati?
the fact that it hasn't burnt as
Ati
well.
nini?
And it doesn't have too
Sean.
much oil, it doesn't have less oil.
Unasema nini
Like,
baba?
it has
Able
got
repeat
the perfect
repeat that
oil
statement
inside it,
again.
like
What have you
enough
said?
oil. And
Maki how many?
kids really love this recipe. They
Tiny yote.
Wanaweza ikunywa
Aya
na
eat.
chai for breakfast.
Happy fork.
It's meant for any time, yeah. And you
Kula.
can have it with anything,
Faster,
even with
faster,
vegetables.
amutabaki.
It is okay. And it took
What?
like most of the times,
Finish
anytime
shopping,
you can
girl.
just have this
Finish
amazing meal that I
shopping, girl.
prepared today. And yeah, that's it, guys. I know you're going to prepare it. Let me know down in the comments, how do you normally prepare your chapatis. Let us meet on the next video. I'll be sharing more recipes with you guys. Next time I will try better to improve on the quality and all that, all those stuffs. Yeah, see you on the next video.